Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. Did you know that the National Pie Day is coming up on January 23rd? Well, I thought that this is a great time to make some delicious sweet potato pie. After preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, in a bowl, I added the wet ingredients first and mixed well. Then, I mixed in the dry ingredients. I have never had sweet potato pie before, even though it sounds so delicious. Have you had sweet potato pie before? If you did, what do you think about it? I put the list of ingredients to this sweet potato pie recipe in the video description. So once everything is mixed well, put it in a pre-made pie dish and then bake it in the oven. So this sweet potato pie turned out extremely delicious. If you like to eat pie or know someone that likes pie, definitely give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.